Hello YouTube family, this is Michelle the DIY Professor. Today I will be taking this little standalone table and making a nice little faux marble table for my entryway, and I want to show you how I was able to get this done. So I started by just painting the legs with a paint and primer in black. So I'm going to do that and allow it to dry before I go on to my next step. So next I have gotten out the materials I will need today, which is my epoxy resin and my clear coat, along with some black paint and some white paint to create the faux marble look. So now I'm just going to get this all mixed up and go ahead and create the top that I want for this table. When mixing this, you want to use, if you're using this particular brand, 1 part epoxy and 1 part clear coat, and you want to mix them thoroughly. So the best thing to do is probably buy the measuring cups. I always buy them at my local hardware store. So you want to buy those so that it already has the measurements on the cup, and you can make sure that you measure them evenly. Once you follow the process for the epoxy resin, then you can add your paint and start to pour. So now I am just using fire on the resin to get the air bubbles out so that it will have a nice smooth finish when it is done.